Abusuafo me mo bibia akwa ba de ba agency and page so midin e de adwoa searching Ghana fu bebre e no mo abo Afia Schwarzenegger na balso awmo se Afia e kan kware Afia wakukuduru a ode e kan kware papa penti bebre na e penasem na de nti Ghana fu e kan sin na ne se Nana Ama Mark Brown a host program e wo UTV a watu ni the United Showbiz na no Saturday ensem bi ekos wo ho a e de ensem bebre aba Bulldog Shatawale ni manager ekoka men's gold ho asema e de ensensem bebre aba na asem no emu enchimoni na no Saturday e wo United Showbiz so Nana Ama Mark Brown ebisa Bulldog men's gold ho ensem na Bulldog e kan say Nanado our president ewo Ghana hano se wentua men's good for omo customers ne sika amomo a odo bibia se Nanado entwa ne 4 years no enwie eni de ebesi na Ghana for say what is the meaning of that o threaten president no say aho na Nanado no ono suma nkrofo so mfa ne almost can go men's good wa hye nkrofo putupa adenti na Bulldog wotisa men's good ho asemi wa ya Nanado aya ende de threaten Nanado say ne 4 years no wentua men's good customers almost can momo a ontwa ne 4 years ene na Bulldog de be hosua ene nkrofo kasa ya say omo anchi Bulldog kra nya do beti ase ena dimi ba say Bulldog akodi aban ensema chese ne yehu ya asema no akwesi kra na ewo United Showbiz so no Bulldog na Afia Schwarzenegger and Bulldog kan asem na Afia so di siani papa oni Bulldog ene nya asem kweto akra e kan tournament wo United Showbiz so Nana Ama Mark Brown ete ho na eno na manfo e ka se Nana Ama wanya de kra for once we are disappointed in you ye pe wasem ye papa adenti na esa wotena na Bulldog e kan ensem be mfata e de a whole president Ghana na yama mpanin se wo Bulldog no se obi anshuma se first get to men's good now they akoto na ahye no nana do ye den na Afia Schwarzenegger e chese sika na ahye sika no ahye na omo be chi Bulldog call yi na chi na Afia Schwarzenegger e video no chese sika na men's good customers most kana mo de call men's good no sika na ahye atunzuma aye beans aye te se obi na yi ne election e your friend say manifesto no eyade amonsa enka bio na Nanado no wansumo bia so mfa ne scan to men's good nti montu mo adwumu kra na Afia Schwarzenegger ne nsema okan ne nti kakra
Minuanom Ghana for we dey your monitor na emfefi ho a small education and I dey my ho me pacho don't ever think say Nanado waye bibi Nanado onye bibia in terms of men's good asem said the man can make be doctor only license onko enkoji adru what the person me chire na say and I won't even be aduma enka say u be aduma only license na aban ne mra no ne wo metena say and negotiate for license enti me sramo sika ne the men's gold for Ashi as a Bank of Ghana kwa be ka chire mo say men's gold e fraudulent mo baba year demonstration eti a Bank of Ghana ese wanye metu amuka any year campaign man anti se flag bearer bia ba e kan se oba obetua men's gold for Sika na nke akwanso be demonstration Sika na hye mesraw na nado de munya no because ye mo bi bia adwuma bi na nke eti krom ha na wifuo akwa store wo makola no mu ton wi eni koke ni tramo ade omo de aban na baba beka ama aban no ama mo license na kom de aton wi on men's gold for me dream mo ho yawo ba no kran se Sika no ahye ena susu ready usika enya aban netia susura odi usika enya okrom hini netia what I say mo fo mo nyibre nko na mo anso na mo mbonija na nado die enya dia okoyi Sika no abecha ama mo kiyensu eni ni beye bi pa demonstration why ye di mo ho yawo na so ye president ni die munya no what Bank of Ghana kai what na munya na mo na die nyame sha se wate ase susu ready usika enya o pastor netia nyame sha Ghana for mu kasa o enjana Ghana for mu nua eyi yo yam yasa oh never I mean who did that I mean who did that Who did that? And the one I'm busa say patapa we and one dear my wine. Ever moment.
Share expansion.
Me too. Obi aba Afia ente patapa o ye broni ba no one dear my wine. Oye mama me true mu aboa ever moment. Who did that? Ojo free one embe, ojo free. Ojo free. One embe. Why? One embe ojo free ko bisa kwabna. So I want for patrio mo coin.
Thank you very much on Men's Gold. The mobile can be anyone my do be a Sika man.
Oh, scan there ever.
Ever.
Nagana over Johnny on 24 years. I'm telling you, you not go finish in 4 years. Listen, my point is that me nipo. You have to UTV. Who see UTV?
Who are threatening president?
Just shut up. That's none of your business.
Who don't to shut up?
No, you say I'm threatening. Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said it.
Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said the president cannot finish his 4 years. Is that right?
So what? I'm going to shoot the president or kill the president. What do you mean?
The things you are saying, I'll be called as a witness.
No, nobody will call you as a witness.
Afia and Bulldog. Thank you very much. Now let's move on. Moving on.
Afia ekansa ensem no ewie no na Ghana fo ekyerese Afia oyo ba kokoduru fo pa odo kan kware wo Ghana ha no eyampasika na asika na atonsum na nado wansom obia so mfa ne sika nkoto Men's Gold enti sika ne de na nado ontua ahye na yenti ensem Ghana fo bi eka ede ekyere Afia we glow queen. And I support the truth 100%. Sometimes I don't understand Ghanaians. When they were giving them a double profit, did they come to say anything? Now that they are defrauded, they want government to do something. Okay, and I went so HSA, you are too much a fear. And I went so HSA, cannot share beans. And also HSM, what Ghanaians hate is the truth. And I went so HSA. Ashi, and I went so Enoch, and I just said too much sense, and I went so just said well said, but sad oh dear. Okay, and I went so she said it is true, mommy. When so just said perfectly agree with you 100%, and when so just said Sikano Ashi, and when so just said Coco Sikano Ashi Atonsum, and when so just said is number one who must be forced to pay the customers. And I went so HSA Ghanaians hate the truth to my grandmother. And in coffee break, say Omodo if you say I just love this woman. She speaks her mind and the truth. She cannot dear Massa Charlie Ashekra. And same way, and Oma catch if you're more HSA if you can acquire or sound so a brave papa.
Don't you? Oh, what I was going to mean, don't mention it. Doctor said, Kwame, despite Oton Enchine, he sells salt. For one side, Duma, I hear Duma would da. We are Duma would da. Doctor Oforisapo, specialize in on the 30 year. And so, why the wood Sika chain Dr. Oforisapo? Oton Yen, Oton Sio, and Opepe Casachra Wajine, Oton Sio. Otonsio Obi Wumia. And I want to be your mommy. And I want to be your mommy. Me and my children, we've been homeless before. Me and my children, I said it several, we've been homeless before. And if your mommy is homeless today, it doesn't mean she'll be homeless forever. If you don't have it today, it doesn't mean you will not have it. Me, I am strongly against Obidineba. Na Ojana no. Ekurawa. Hey, una ukurawa dio. Una atiana wote. Una okasa na wote. Una betimi aka wono kure achire no. And young ladies, we should learn to cut our coats. First, you have to cut your coat according to your size. Obi one size and a switch any coat, no. So now there you cut your coat according to your fabric. Or fabric and then swan. Now a panjarabia, no what's nasty. This generation more pray.
Me start cancer subium. Raise your kids. Do something. Do something. A yensuum pa. A ye one seed in pa. It's your hard-earned money. When you read the Bible, say, and so whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. That is what you have to do something. What I say? Bible class, whatsoever they do, they shall prosper. They like don't baby and shirap so. That is it was.